Hello, this is our presentation for injection blow molding. My name is Bruno and my partners are Yvonne, Philip, and Alex. Injection blow molding is a manufacturing technique used for making bottles and containers. The most common materials used in IBM are polyethylenes, polypropylenes, and PET. Injection blow molding consists of three separate phases. The first phase is injection, where a melted thermoplastic is injected into a mold via a ram to create a preform. The preform allows for higher detail in areas such as the neck, where threads are needed for bottle caps or lids. The second phase is blowing, where the preform is blown into the shape of a mold while it's still hot and pliable. Not shown in this picture is that the molds can have multiple cavities, allowing for many copies to be made during a single cycle. The final phase is ejection. After the plastic has cooled down, the mold separates and the final product is ejected from the machine. It is now ready to be used or filled.
Moving on from the process overview, here are the capabilities of blow molding. The production capability of blow molding machines would average to about 1,000 bottles per hour that are regular water bottles, which are usually half a liter. According to TechLong, their CPX series blow molding machine is capable of producing 58,000 bottles per hour with the options of 2 to 26 mold cavities. As for the cost, the operator cost for blow molding averages between $19 to $22 an hour in 2016 according to the Boyd Company. Furthermore, an average blow molding machine costs 80,000 Indian rupee, which comes out to around $11,000. Lastly, high-density polyethylene is the most commonly used plastic for water bottles and costs 48 cents per round.
Now we will be talking about the limitations of injection blow molding. IBM is generally reserved to high-volume, long-term productions. This is due to the high production cost of the molding caps, which usually ranges anywhere from $4,500 to $60,000 depending on size, mold type, and the complexity of the plastic part to be molded. Another limitation to mention is that injection blow molding is unable to create hollowed handles on containers.
A similar process would be extrusion blow molding. As you can see on the left-hand image, plastic is melted and extruded. In this example, they are using multiple heads, which is one way to speed up production time. The extruded tubes are called parissins. On the right-hand side, you can notice that when the parissin is at the required length, the mold closes and pinches the bottom end. It then blows the parissin into the desired shape, and once it's cooled, it is ejected. Some of the differences between the two are that extrusion needs trimming at the threaded opening as well as the pinch-off area. Also, extrusion has some wall thickness variation due to sagging. Finally, extrusion is very inexpensive. Due to low pressures, it is possible for tooling to be made of aluminum, and also recycled materials can be used.